In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create videos with photos in Canva. Add motion to your pics. We'll turn a simple set of images into a dynamic video that feels smooth, polished, and ready to share. Start by opening Canva. From the home screen, click the video icon and choose the format that fits your destination. Like a YouTube video or an Instagram reel. This sets the right size and orientation for your project and opens a blank canvas, so you can start building confidently. Next, bring in your photos. On the left sidebar, head to the Uploads tab to add images from your device, or browse Canva's stock library if you need extras. Choose high-resolution photos with a similar style or color palette for a cohesive look. Once uploaded, your images will appear as thumbnails, ready to use. Now add them to your timeline. Drag a photo onto the page and it will snap into the frame. Create a slideshow by adding more pages and dropping in additional images. Resize or reposition each photo so it fills the canvas cleanly, and crop if you need to remove distracting edges. Keep key subjects away from the extreme borders, so you have room to add motion without cutting anything off. Set the timing so each image stays on screen as long as you want. Click the photo in the timeline and drag the edges to adjust its duration. 3 to 5 seconds per photo is a good starting point. Give detailed shots a bit more time and try to keep similar images at similar lengths to maintain a steady rhythm. Let's add movement. Select an image and click Animate in the top toolbar. Explore options like pan, zoom, or tumble. Hover to preview, then click to apply. Limit yourself to a couple of styles so the video feels consistent, and keep motions gentle to avoid a jarring effect. For a custom move, choose Animate, then create an animation. Click and drag the image across the screen to record a path, perhaps a slow push-in or a side. Two-side pan. Release to set it and adjust the page duration to speed up or slow down the move. Subtle paths usually look the most professional. Between photos, click the plus button that appears and select Add Transition. Try effects like dissolve or slide, and fine. Tune the duration so each change feels smooth, around half a second to a second works well. Add music by opening the Audio tab. Pick a track or upload one, then drag it to the timeline. Trim the ends and lower the volume slightly so it supports, not overpowers, your visuals. If you want tighter pacing, nudge photo durations to match the beat. Preview everything with play. Then make small tweaks to timing, motion, or transitions as needed. When you are happy, click Share, choose Download. Select MP4 video and save your creation. Thanks for watching.